Hi, my name is Jen. When I was at PJX, I was talking to Dana and I was telling her how much I love my microscope arm. When I started 4.5 years ago, I bought my Impulse and I bought the microscope arm because I knew that I wouldn't see the welds like I needed to. Not saying everyone can't, but my eyes are not great and I'm getting older, and I really felt that I needed to get this in order to really see the welds. And I was right. I can't see it without it. I've tried the ADL, I've tried the magnifications, and they just don't work for me like the microscope works. So I'm really grateful that I did spend the extra money and got it that time. Dana asked me things like, how do you do a bracelet? How do you do a necklace? How do you do an anklet? Also, how do you transport it? So I'm going to tell you a little bit about that right now. The microscope arm comes with 2, maybe even 3 different ways to attach it to a table. One way you can do it is you can actually drill a hole into your table and screw it into your table and it's there permanently. Another way that you can do it is there's a clamp that you can use, and that's what I use because it's not permanent. You can take it wherever you need to. I can take it with me to a market if I need to. First thing you need a table with a flat bottom underneath it. Right here, this table here has a bar, and so this side it won't work. Where right here it's just flat, and so I can put the clamp right there. On my table that I use to go to markets and things, I have a little wooden table and I take it everywhere when I go to the markets, and it has it on the side here. There's nothing on the side underneath, so that's where it goes when I'm at a market, and it just clamps right on. I use what's called a waterproof hard camera case. You can find them on Amazon. I can send a link to Dana about which one I use, and it's great. They come with foam inserts that you just pick out the bits that you don't want there so that you can make a space that fits exactly what you want to fit there. So my microscope arm, I fold it up like this. It's not on the thing. This comes off right here. When you're traveling, it just unscrews and comes off, so it has its own spot. The top of it has its own spot in my hard case. This goes into the hard case. My Impulse goes into the hard case, and they all are very safe in there, and it's rolling, so then you can just take it easily into a market. It's great. Now I'm going to show you how I use my microscope arm to do an anklet. I come to the side of the table. I bring my client directly in front of me, and she is lovely. She's sitting there. I will then bring my microscope arm. I'll swing it over to the side like that. Always ask them to back up. Sometimes the client's really close and you don't want to scratch them with this. So I have them back up, I bring it around, and then I'm able to bring it up and down. It does only go to about there, so you are gonna have to have their ankle on something, and I do have them put that onto my lap. You'll see how I do it here in a second. All right, so I would have them, I have this footstool that you can get for manicures, pedicures. I would have them take their ankle and put the back of their heel on it like that. And then I have it quite unscrewed so it can just lift up like that. I bring their ankle up to me and I put it on my lap. All right, and now I can put my arm down beside their leg. Again, not over it, because you don't want to scratch them as you're bringing it down. I have my chain cut here and I have my leather patch. I will make sure my tungsten is where I can see it. And I'm gonna focus it right there. I would bring their chain around the ankle, and I will link that chain back to the other side of the other part of the chain. It is a nice thing having the microscope. You can do chain to chain quite easily because you can see it so well. With this tiny link, I can see exactly where I'm going. And, oops. Ooh. That is a good weld. I love a good weld. Okay, so that's that. It's on there. Do a tug, do a twist. Hold their arm up, take out your leather patch. And then I lower their leg. I let them take their leg off. And then I let them feel the the chain, see if they like it, and that's it. That's how you do an anklet with the microscope arm.